Short form videos are everywhere and let's face it, they're not going anywhere. But turning long videos into engaging short clips, well, that usually takes time, effort and a lot of video editing headaches. But what if you could skip all of that? What if one click could find the best moments in your long form content and turn it into stop scrolling short videos? Sounds wild, right? Well, that's what exactly Club AI can do for you. So instead of me just talking about it, let's dive in and see these two in action. So that's how the website looks like. It's very professional. It has a lot of examples and I'm not going to waste any time now. I'm just going to go and log in with my account. As you can see, I have uploaded a few videos, but for this example, I'm going to go to YouTube. Let's say I want to upload a video from Joe Rogan's podcast. I'll go click on which one? Let's say this one. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click, copy the video link, then go back to Club, just right click and paste it. And here we've got this panel where we've got examples of how the video is going to look like. I mean, there's the presets for the subtitles or the captions, call it as you like. In this case, let's say that I'm going to use the Beast preset. Then from here, you can select what you want to do with this long video. You can create shorts, captions, reframe, dubbing, and trim. If you don't know what is dubbing, that's basically translating your video into a different language. But in this case, I will convert this video into shorts. And then going down, we've got the duration. We've got the option auto, where it will convert the video into TikTok, Instagram Reels, etc. And you've got the option for YouTube Shorts. I'm gonna leave it as auto, and then we've got language. We've got different languages. As you can see, it's a lot of them, but we're gonna leave it English. We've got reframe on. Also the dimension is portrait, and we have the hook on, captions on, and emojis on as well. Then I'm going to click on generate shorts, and this will start verifying. And now we've got the percentages here, and it will say preparing media, and also it says how long it will take. In this case, it says it's going to take 26 minutes to analyze this video and create the shorts. And instead of waiting 25 minutes, I'll come back when the video is done. Okay, the analyzing is done, and we've got 19 shorts created from this almost 3 hours video. And as you can see on the left, we've got the preview of the video with a title, as you can see, and also we've got the length or the duration of the shorts. In this case, the first one is 1 minute and 29 seconds, which is a bit longer than the 60 seconds. But as you know, now YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Instagram, you can upload shorts longer than 60 seconds. Also, the next thing we've got is the virality score. And as you can see, it's 88 out of 100. And then it says why the score is that high. And also we've got the transcript. And also what we've got here, we've got download, we've got publish, and we've got edits. In this case, I'm going to go and click on edit. And what we've got here is the editor. And as you can see, there's a timeline here with the video, captions, title, and also we've got some B-rolls as well, and also the emojis. And all of this is customizable. You can delete everything. And if you go further up, we've got the style, which is where you can change the captions. Then if you go further down, we've got the captions. From here, you can change the position. Let me just go a few frames forward so we can see the captions on the screen. So you can move them whatever you like. Also, you've got a typography where you can change the style of the text, and also you can make them bigger or smaller. We've got the fill color and the highlight color. We've got the stroke, 3D effect. You can customize all of it. It's pretty cool and easy. Then the next thing we've got is captions itself. From here, you can correct words or sentences if they are misspelled wrong. It's pretty simple as well. Then we've got the crop. From here, you can select where the frame to concentrate on. So let's say that we want to be that way, or also you can expand it so you can have the full screen, but then the top and the bottom part of the shorts, it will be blurred, but we don't want that. So we're going to go with the vertical option. And then when we go to the next one, it's stream. From here, we're going to have the whole script, and the highlighted sentences are the one that are inside the video. But let's say that you want to add something else. Let's say we want to add this part of it. We're going to highlight it, and then we can click on add, and this will add it to the video. Hence, it will extend the video and it will make it longer. And the other way around, if you want to delete it, as you can see, we've got the delete icon on the side. So click on it and it will delete it straight away. It's very easy. Then we're going to go to the last one, which is media. And from here, you can upload your media like overlays or B-rolls or any kind of footages. And when we click on library, we've got all these B-rolls. So for example, we've got this option here. If you go to the timeline, we've got the B-roll option. So if I click on it, it will generate B-rolls, which already have done it. But for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna try it one more time and see how many more B-rolls we want. And as you can see now, it's adding more B-rolls. And the cool thing about this is that you can change these B-rolls if you don't like that, and if they're not related to the topic of the video. What you can do is, like, simply if you click on this video, you can go up to the library again, and now as you can see of the search bar, it says hills, but you can change it to, let's say, mountains, enter, and this will find footage with mountains. So I'm going to click on it and upload it onto the timeline. Just click once on it and it will upload it to the timeline. There we go. And now we've got the mountain over here. And if you're happy with the results, the next thing we can do is just go to export. You can click on publish, but in this case, I'm going to go to download. And now the video is rendering, and when it's ready, it will be ready to be downloaded as well. Cool, now the video is ready to download, so I'm going to go and save it to my folder of choice. Now let's play the video and see what it looks like.
I put out this we were there all day long, and we charted 16 pyramids. And when I put it out, I got all these comments are like, you're not doing anything but walking on a bunch of hills, because it's so hard to see it. The jungle just claims everything back. So you really have to sit with seeing these things in person for a while before you start recognizing, oh, that is a mound, or that is.
The only thing you cannot do here is adding background music or sound effects, but for this reason, you can download the short and take it to a video editing software of your choice. In my case, it's Premiere Pro. Now let's go through the most important thing for this app, and that is the pricing. And now as you can see, we've got three options here. We've got the $29 option, which includes 10 videos monthly, up to 45 minutes long. Also, you can generate 100 clips, and the quality is HD. Then going to the next one, it's the Club Pro, which I'm using at the moment. I haven't paid for it. It's a complimentary 3-month from Club. And that's why I'm doing this video, so I can show you transparently what you can do with the app and what you can get for this money. So for the $79 a month, you can upload up to 30 videos, up to 2 hours long videos, generate 300 clips monthly. The quality is 4K, and also you can translate it to 29 languages, which is not a bad option. And the next one is Club Pro Plus, and this is it's very pricey. It's $189 a month. Here you can upload 100 videos up to 3 hours long, generate 1,000 clips a month. Also the quality is 4K, and again translate to 29 languages. Okay, I won't be lying, the prices are a little bit too much, especially the Club Pro Plus. I mean, that's personally for me, I find it too pricey. But let's say that you have a video agency where you create short form content, and I think then it will be justified. Then going to the Club Pro, again $79 a month. Not everyone can afford this, especially if you're just starting out with creating shorts or TikToks or Instagram reels. If you're a beginner, I don't think you can afford this, but I think for the money you can get a good value. And as you can see, it's very useful. You can create quickly these shorts, and they're already with captions, and they will pick up the best moments from the long video format. Then going to the cheapest version, which is $29. Again, not many people can afford it if you're just starting out with it and your channel is not monetized. Still, it's a lot of money to spend, but I think for the money you can get back a lot of value. So if you want to try this app, I've got the link down below, and you can click on it. You can go and purchase it, and also you can use the code Peter30 and you will get 10% off from your first payment. So yeah guys, it's up to you, and I think it's a great app, and it will save you a lot of time and headache, because you know how difficult it is to find the best moments of a long video, and this does it in a matter of 25 minutes, as you can see. That's what I think about that. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want, leave a comment down below and share the video with friends if you think that it will be helpful for them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.